Now, a student who doesn't know the correct heading row repeat method will probably be doing this. This is a very bad idea. If you were to highlight the row, the heading row, right click, copy, and try to go to the second page and choose somewhere around the top of the page, right click, paste. Okay, this will be a bad idea because whenever we add additional lines, the heading row that you have manually inserted will actually start to move. So this is really a bad idea. So let's just close this document, which is the wrong document. We should not be using this method. So let's just remember that to repeat a heading row, we need to select the heading row, go table, table properties, select repeat as header row at the top of each page. Okay, so let's continue. We need to change the location of certain rows which are in the wrong position right now. And question number 4 says that some of the year has been placed wrongly, so we need to do a thorough check. 1936 is before 1944. Just make sure it is in chronological order, so it is in running years. 1946, 1947, 48, 42 should not be here. So how do we actually move the location of a row? It is to select the entire column, select the entire row, right click, cut, go to the row that appears after that. So after 1942 is 1944, so highlight 1944, right click, paste. Now you realize that whenever we paste a row, it will appear before the row that we select. So just now we selected 1944, it will appear on top of 1944. Okay, so let's just have another 2 or 3 more examples. Okay, so far is correct, except for this 1953, right click, cut, it should appear before 1954, right click, paste. And for 1948, right click, cut, it should appear before 1951. So click on 1951, right click, paste. It will appear before 1951. Okay, so I think that's about it. These are all the changes that you have to make. Alright, so you learn how to insert new row now, question number 5, and how to do this. New row will always appear before the row that you select. So 1962 appears before 1964. So click on 1964, right click. Instead of paste rows, you need to insert new row. So insert row. Alright, and you start to type the content of the question in page 14 of your workbook. Okay, so you continue, and on question 6, you need to format the table. And how do you do that? What do you mean by format table? Format table means you want to change the look of the table. So to change the look of the table, your mouse should appear inside the table. So I'm going to click anywhere on the table, and okay, and you'll see that there is this cross button at the top left hand corner of the table. Click on it. You have just selected the entire table. Go to Format, Borders and Shading. Under Borders and Shading, okay, you can change the look. Now on page 15 of your workbook, they have selected this, so you can click and choose OK, and the look of the borders have changed to a wavy border. Alright, so you've come to the end of this exercise. Thanks for watching.